All rise. Support court with Judge Van der Bee is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB1067, Daniel's case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You may be seated. Okay, it looks like Miss Daniels brought this case before the court. And what's your name, sir? Michael. Well, what's your last name? I don't want to call you by your first name.
Clough.
Michael Clough. All right, Mr. Clough. It looks as though you were brought to court
unwillingly.
To be put on child support, but she's not here.
All right, guys, this one's messy. A man gets dragged into court for child support by a woman who ghosted him after dumping 5 kids on his doorstep. No warning, no goodbye, just vanished. What follows is part heartbreak, part absurdity, and 100% courtroom chaos. Let's dive into a case that completely flips the script on parental responsibility.
What's going on with you all's situation?
I mean, not too long ago, she dropped the kids off. She was in a strange vehicle, saying she was about to come up on some money, and I haven't seen her since, Your Honor.
Okay.
And I'm taking care of these kids. I got to go to work. I can't, you know, they my kids. I had them, I made them, but, you know, I got to go to work. You know?
Okay. How many kids are we talking?
5.
5 kids? She dropped out 5 kids with you?
5 kids, Your Honor. No
and
clothes,
kept going.
no nothing.
Who was driving the car? Could you see?
I couldn't see. You know how it is.
No, I don't.
Maybe you don't.
Tell me what you mean.
I mean, you know, these women get with these strange guys, and you know they give them this false hope, and so she was in some kind of old Cutlass with some 20s on it, and she rode off in the sunset. Haven't seen her since.
She rolls up in a random car, drops off 5 children, and disappears like some kind of parenting hit and run. Mr. Clough is left to clean up the mess with 0 support and 0 answers. That's not co-parenting. That's abandonment. Would you have handled it any differently?
All 5 of the kids were in that car?
All 5 of them sitting on each other's laps.
Wow.
Yeah, it was bad.
Oh my gosh. Are any of the kids in car seats or should be in car seats?
No car seats.
No car seats. No diapers. Just 5 little kids stacked in a car like luggage. This wasn't just reckless. It was dangerous. And yet, here he is, not only saving them from chaos, but getting summoned for child support. How's that even add up?
My youngest kid didn't even have any diapers, you know, and I called my mom and asked her. She said no, so I had to do what I had to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how long ago did that happen?
Like 2 months ago.
2 months?
2 months ago.
Have you heard from her at all?
Haven't heard from her at all. I sent her some texts when I got the letter about coming to court, but
right.
I haven't heard anything since.
Okay. Did she tell you she was going to bring you to court for child support?
She did. She did. And then she dropped the kids off, and I haven't seen her since.
Okay. So what was the conflict? Like, what happened for you all to get to the point to where she said, I'm going to file child support?
She wanted $2,000 a week, while he was already sending her $500. For someone working fast food, that's a real sacrifice. But it wasn't enough for her. So she filed for child support, then vanished. You tell me, is this justice or manipulation?
Well, I was working out of town, Your Honor, and I was sending her about $500 a week, but she wasn't satisfied with that. She felt like she should have $2,000 a week, and I just couldn't do it, Your Honor. I couldn't survive off giving her that much money, and, you know, I tried to work it out with her, and then I ended up getting a letter in the mail, which I thought was crazy.
Okay. Are the kids on any type of government assistance or anything?
No, ma'am, Your Honor. I pay for everything.
Okay, you
Yes,
pay for
ma'am.
health insurance and everything like that?
All of it. All of it. And I work at McDonald's.
He's raising 5 kids on a McDonald's cook's salary with 0 help. He covers health care, food, clothes, everything. Say what you want, but Mr. Clough didn't run. He stepped up. Is that enough to earn the court's respect? Or does the system still see him as the problem?
Your Honor, I can't afford that, you know. 5 kids, McDonald's salary, it's hard out here.
Okay.
For
So
a
you're
kid.
in management?
No, I work on the line. I'm a cook.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Yes,
got
ma'am.
you.
Best
All right.
cook out here.